Ching ching.
Chin chin. Mine's empty.
Let's get you a refill first. So today is the second of our rainy day activities series, things to do with kids.
Well, things to try to make your kids to do.
Yes, so we're going to try to make them do some junk modelling.
Yeah. So we've been collecting empty milk cartons and egg cartons and all sorts of boxes and plastic tubs. And then we're going to have some tape and glue and paint. And what could go wrong?
There you go.
I need to put some paint on it.
Okay. We do this. I've got bloody paint on my arm.
Like that.
Like that. Oh. Ah! This is too difficult for me. Like that.
Yeah. Mio, do you want to play now? No. I haven't even finished it. I'm going to cut.
If you want to cause complete chaos, have two children.
No, I want to do. I want to cut all of it up. Well, I need to cut something with my own scissors. I'm going to have some green scissors. Well, I like yellow and red as well. Green.
Not on your hair, no. What you doing? Glue on your hair, you silly sausage.
If I get you some paint
No!
and do you not want to paint your bottles?
Did you know? But crocodiles don't have a tongue.
Oh, eyelids. Oh no, that's snakes.
And blue and yellow.
What are they?
Mine is a bum eater. Mia, that's staying at your house until it's dry. When I see you when it's dry, and give it back to me, okay? No. Well, then I'll bring it home.
Are you putting it inside?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Oh. Done mine. I've got skin dark
Don't touch anything.
skin.
What did you make of your bottle, Mia?
A super blaster.
Well, we didn't say that it's like a stress-free activity.
That went well. Be prepared for the mess. Don't make them wear white t-shirt.
No.
The power of wine, we survived.
Tip 1, if it rains, buy a lot of wine.
Noah was wriggling a lot. I kept scolding him, saying, "Don't play with your willy. Leave your willy alone." And he was just like, "Oh, it's not comfortable. It's not comfortable." And then when bath time came, I realised that he was wearing pants the size 18 months. So that is why he was fiddling, because he wasn't comfortable. So the pants are now in the recycling charity pile. I must go through the clothes. Yeah.
Talking about willies, Mia just found like one of those clip-on bike lights that you like clip on your top or something, or jacket or something.
Yeah.
Like that. He clipped it on his penis. So he came in and said, "Look at me!" It's got a flashing penis.
Was he not crying? Was he not hurting?
No, it's not that tight. It's made of like silicone thing.
It's all about willies and bums at the moment.
I mean, that's not my fail. You know when you buy them really expensive toys, and they don't really like them. It's just soul destroying. They're like these like a £2 trinkets, and he had this like Gruffalo snake soft toy that he absolutely demanded. It was like 20 quid, really expensive, and in the end he got it as a present. And he's played it with maybe once, and he came to me the other day and he's like, I want to give this to a car boot sale, or I want to give this to a charity, and I'm like, no. It's like I'm refusing to get rid of these really expensive toys
Yeah.
Just because you don't like them.
You're gonna like it. You're gonna play with it.
You know, when they were babies and you just wanted them to play with these cute wooden Brio toys, and they would just love some piece of plastic crap more than anything.
Yeah.
It's like, why can't they be what we want them to be?
I know. Why? What went wrong with our vision of no TV, no plastic crap, just singing and playing with wooden toys?
I know. Thanks for watching again. Please share. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Love ya.
Love ya.